Ammonia and air are the starting materials for the manufacture of nitric oxide in Ostwald's process. In Ostwald process, ammonia is oxidized to nitric oxide in presence of platinum or rhodium gas catalyst at 500 Kelvin temperature and 9 bar pressure. Ammonia is oxidized to nitric oxide in presence of platinum or rhodium gas catalyst at 500 Kelvin 9 bar pressure. Under 9 bar pressure, ammonia is oxidized to nitric oxide plus H2O. So in Ostwald process, ammonia and air are the starting materials for the manufacture of nitric oxide.